are a community college located in Northeast Nebraska, serving a 20-county area and about 13,000 students. One of the main things that we did was migrate all of our on-premise banner systems to the cloud. And that alone was a major shift. It allowed us to be much more strategic in the way that we operate here. We no longer have to focus on our ability to deliver infrastructure and keep all these applications running. We do that in partnership now with our Ellucian Cloud service delivery team. Rolling out Ellucian Experience has given us a great 360-degree portal, right? It exposes, surfaces a lot of the data that our students need to make decisions about their academics, just about student life. It's visually appealing, first of all. It gives us flexibility to customize. It delivers an app for students. So it really moved the needle for us. We couldn't be more excited to be in a position to be able to innovate with the products that Ellucian delivers, and to see the investment of time and resources pay off and be recognized. It was truly an institutional effort. Our functional users have been amazing. Our technical teams have done a ton of work. This award, it's just kind of a capstone to recognize that what we did worked.